Welcome to my channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. I want to say welcome to my new subscribers and my current subscribers as well. You're very welcome. Today's topic is actually a review on my new water bottle. My Nalgene water bottle, to be exact. This one is a 32 ounce, which is 1 liter. I like this one for one reason. It is a wide mouth, and I like that because you can put things inside this bottle if you need to, when you don't have water in it, of course. So that makes it easier to put stuff in this. If you have to, you can put some gear and other stuff in this if you have to. But that is something I won't do. Maybe if the situation demands it. But I don't think I will get to that point. But anyway, the lid has this little stripe, plastic stripe, and it seems to be pretty sturdy. It is stuck there, so that is good actually. And well, I like this. Not that expensive, lightweight, and I like you have these grades so you can see how much water you have left. Lightweight, and when you have water, fill this up 1 kilo with water. You can put in this. So, and the other thing is, it is BPA free and BPS free, which is good. And it says 50% recycled content, which is also very nice. And besides, this one is made in USA. I like that too, because USA has great quality on their stuff and gear they make. But there is one thing that is actually a con, okay? And that is plastic, because you can't boil water in this, because the plastic would melt. So you don't want that. You would be pretty sad if that you boil water in this and the plastic would melt and destroy your bottle. So I would like to have one in stainless steel, because you can boil water with that one, but not this one. But for the weight and sturdy lid, well, this won't come off that easy, and the lid just sit there nice and tight, and I like that. And the best of all is this doesn't leak anything. I have tried it. It doesn't leak any water at all. Some water bottles has a tendency to leak through the lid, even if you tighten it up. But this won't, because it has a nice tight fit. So I can show you how the lid looks like on the inside. It looks like this. So I like this bottle. And a stainless steel bottle in this size would weigh a lot more than this do. On the other hand, it may weigh more, but you can boil water in that. And I would like to have one in stainless steel with wide mouth, because it's the best. So, thanks guys for stopping by, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, okay? And I will see you in the next one. Stay safe, take care, be prepared. ShadowScoutSwede out.